Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a super fun and cool half-face look. We have the sun on one side and the moon on the other. This is a super cute look to do with your best friend if one of you wants to be the sun, one of you wants to be the moon, or if you just want to do both yourself, like me. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm here with my base and I did my eyebrows and I'm going to do a sun on this side and a moon on this side. So if you have like a best friend that you're doing your costume with, one of you could be the sun and wear all gold or yellow, and the other one could be the moon and can wear like silver and gray, and it'd be like a really cute like best friend costume. But I don't have any friends, so we're just like doing it on myself. So we're gonna start off with some black liquid liner, and I'm gonna start with the sun on this side. So I'm gonna start off by doing a crescent shape around this eye. And then I'm going to make some sunburst shapes coming off of it. And there you go. Actually, that could be like a really cute like flower costume idea as well. So if you just fill it in with some different colors, you know, it would look kind of cute. Alright, and now I'm going to sketch a crescent moon shape on the other side. Alright, and I think those shapes are about as good as we're going to get them, so now we're going to fill them in. So for the moon side, I'm going to use the Moonchild palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to take the color Star, which is a sparkly silver color, on a packing brush that I'm going to wet, and then we're just going to start filling that shape in. And I'm just going to add in a little bit of the blue ice shade, just to give it some dimension. Alright, now on the sun side, we're taking the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette, and we're going to take the color Glow Getter, which is a golden highlight. Same thing on a wet packing brush, and just fill in those shapes as well. Now using that same highlighting shade, I'm just going to kind of highlight the face around, just to make it really golden on this side of my face. And I'm going to do the same thing with the silver and white blue highlight on this side. Alright, now we're going to work on the eyes. So we're taking the NYX Ultimate Bright Palettes and dipping into the yellowy shades and just putting that into my crease on the sun side. And I'm just going to take that under my lash line too. Alright, and now I'm just going to take a super vibrant yellow shimmer. I'm going into the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, and I'm taking the color Relic, and I'm taking that on a packing brush, which I will be wetting. And I'm going to apply that to the lid. And I think I'm just going to add some of this eyeshadow to the sun part, because I really like the way it looks. Alright, now I'm just going back into this palette for the other eye, and we're going to use some blues and purples on the moon side. So I'm just going to take this very light purple color and blend that in as my transition. These eye looks are both relatively simple. It's just about using the right colors that go with the moon or the sun. I'm going to add just a little bit of blue. And I'm going to take some blue and purple and go underneath. And going back into the Saint and Sinner palette, I'm going to take the color Heaven, which is a silvery purple shade, and I'm going to wet the brush and then apply that to my lid on this side. Now using some white liner from Sephora, I'm just going to add in a little bit of stars onto the moon side. And I think I'm going to add some underneath as well. And then on the other side, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Midnight Cowboy and just add in some golden spots for the sun side. Alright, now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and add some mascara, and we'll be right back. Alright, so my mascara is applied, and all that's left to do is add a lip. So on the moon side, I am taking a purple, and on the sun side, I am taking a glittery, this is actually a metallic matte from Kylie that is golden, but any golden glittery gloss will do. You can even do a nude if you don't have one. So we're just going to apply that to each side. So this purple color was from NYX, and it is called Soul, and this Kylie color is called Air. So I think I want to add some glitter to both sides of my lips, so I'm going to get a glitter gloss and apply that. This is the NYX Lingerie Shimmer Gloss in the color Clear, and that's just going to add another layer of sparkle to your costume. Alright, and this look is complete. This is a super fun and easy and different look you could do like with your BFF if one of you wants to be the sun, one of you wants to be the moon, or you can just be like me and be crazy and do both looks on each side. Or if you just want to pick your favorite, if you're more of a moon gal or you're more of a sun gal, then just pick one and stick with that. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.